It's me, Nita. Welcome and welcome back. Y'all, in today's video, what I am going to be doing is adding a pop of color in my already decorated fall living room. And y'all, I'm right here in my car. I'm doing this intro in my car because I'm heading home and I'm gonna jump right into styling this living room for y'all. Y'all know this channel is about home, Nita's home decor and lifestyle TV, like lifestyle, a little bit about, you know, you're gonna get a little bit about. So if you don't want to see a little bit about me and what's going on, or you don't want to hear about the little personal stuff, and you know what to do, just fast on forward. This is for the people who want to hear about this part. So guys, let me tell y'all about the last video that I put out. And it was for the giveaway. But I asked you guys to do something for the giveaway. I asked that you leave your most inspirational or motivational quote in the comment section. And let me tell y'all, some of y'all gonna be clicking off this video in a minute. Listen, so you know what, guys? I was just so overwhelmed with happiness and joy and excitement reading y'all comments. Y'all comments had your girl on fire. Listen, I was like, yes, Lord. God, yes, God. Yes, God. I'm about to shout. Y'all know the Holy Ghost stands here. My husband was like, girl, what's wrong with you? I'm like, sure, me and my subscribers, we about to have church up in here. But let me tell you, one of my subscribers wrote that one of their favorite scriptures or quotes from the Bible is Psalm 91, which so happened to be one of my favorites. He who dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide in the shadow of the Almighty. Lord, what? But let me tell you, some of y'all really touch me. And it just lets me know that there's people out here with a certain standard of living and a certain standard of love and a certain standard of caring and a certain standard of just being, just being there for people and loving people. And that was just so exciting for me to read, because I feel like those are people that I can relate to. A person that knows how to spread love, a person that knows how to uplift somebody else, a person that knows how to motivate themselves. And one of my subscribers also wrote that you don't look down on people unless you're looking down to lift them up. You better preach. What? That was I think that was Lola, my girl Lola. Let me tell you, I love y'all so much. I ain't gonna ramble on, but let me tell you, I really appreciate y'all taking out the time to motivate me, to motivate other people that may have read those comments. A lot of us, we love the Lord. We love the Lord, but ain't nobody perfect. I know I ain't perfect. I know what my vice is. I know the Lord. I know my vice is cussing. Yes, I would cuss. Yeah, but that's it, y'all. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So let's take a quick look at what the living room is looking like now. This is my current fall decor. You guys may have seen this in the previous video. And I'm just going to change out a few things and add in a pop of color. For instance, the lamp there, I'm going to change that out. Also, I am going to switch out those pillows and add in that pop of color there on the sofa. And over here on the credenza, I'm going to change this up altogether. I'm just going to put a new style and design on top of the credenza. Over here in the entryway, I'm definitely not changing any of that. I really like the look of the entryway, how it looks now. So this will definitely remain the same. And the coffee table. The coffee table, I'm going to switch this up completely. I am going to leave those coffee table books there. But everything else I'm going to switch out, and I am going to remove the candle holders with the candles here on that table. I'm going to take those off, and then this little accent table as well, I'll switch that up completely too. So right now I am going to go ahead and remove all of the things that I'm not going to be using in the room. I don't know why I'm taking that picture out, because I am going to be using that picture there. I also want to let you guys know that this video is a collaboration. This video is a collaboration with DD Mom Boss. Dee Dee is a wife, mom of 2 adorable cuties. She's an entrepreneur, a nurse, as well as a social media influencer. Dee Dee loves decorating, so definitely on her channel, you'll find her beautifying her gorgeous, large Texas home. Dee Dee is so upbeat, she's fun, she's kind, and most of all, she's so super sweet, y'all. You'll definitely be inspired if you head over there, and you'll definitely be motivated. So go ahead, check her out, guys. Be sure to subscribe and let her know that I sent you. And you can find Dee Dee's information in my description box. Okay, guys, I stopped to take a little quick break. I want to make me a little cup of coffee because I'm getting ready to do the most exciting part for me for decorating my living room, and that is my coffee table. I love decorating my coffee table, guys, and we know in our living room that most of the time you have a focal point in your living room. It can be an accent wall, it can be a fireplace, it can be built-ins, but that coffee table and the way that you decorate it, it can definitely be the highlight in that room as well. Even if you go with a minimalistic approach or you go with something that has a lot of objects on it, but as long as it's well put together and arranged and displayed properly, oh, it can be so beautiful. It can definitely draw the eye to that table. So that's why I'm excited about decorating my coffee table, because in this particular design that I'm gonna do on the coffee table, I'm gonna add a little more pieces on this coffee table and in hopes that I can pull it off and make it into a very well balanced design. So let's go ahead and decorate my coffee table, child. Coffee makes me happy. Do coffee make y'all happy? I don't know. Coffee, I think it has the stimulant in the coffee. I think it has something to do with the endorphins or something in your brain, because coffee makes me happy. And I'm already a happy person. So honey, this coffee makes me happy. Go lucky. Let's decorate this table. the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the pop of color that I added. And again, I want to thank you guys so much for the comments and the motivational and inspirational quotes that you left in the last video. Again, I must say I really enjoyed it, but I want to leave you with another one of my favorites, and that is, the Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked, even my enemy and foe, come against me to eat up my flesh, they stumble and fail. Y'all know the rest. Psalm 27. I love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.